Why is part of my SketchUp model not exported? Some users have found that their models are not fully exported, with some content missing. This issue occurs because a group or component contains too many faces, causing the program to skip that group to prevent overloading the computer. For instance, in this model, the trees contain an especially high number of faces, so the entire landscape group containing the trees is omitted, making the landscape group invisible. The solution is simple. Explode the entire group, then place the trees in a separate layer and hide that layer. We don't recommend grouping the whole model, as this often results in a single group having too many faces. Then simply save the model and enter AKE update to update the drawing, and you'll be able to see the complete drawing.